Clinical data review is the ongoing examination of trial data to assess whether it is accurate, complete, consistent, and suitable for study decisions. It supports data quality, subject safety, trial conduct, medical review, and confidence in the final interpretation. Reviewers look beyond missing fields and obvious inconsistencies. They examine patterns, gaps in context, and relationships that may affect how the study is being run. Late adverse event entries, abnormal laboratory values without medical context, or a dose change that does not align with the visit record may all need follow-up. ALCOA++ provides a framework for reliable data. It describes data as attributable, legible, contemporaneous, original, accurate, complete, consistent, enduring, available, and traceable. Review may therefore include checking when data were entered, whether changes are visible, whether the source is clear, and whether the information can still be understood later. Timing affects the value of review. A delayed adverse event entry or an abnormal laboratory result viewed without related dosing and medical history may leave the study team without the full picture when action is needed. The data may eventually be cleaned, but the chance to investigate a safety concern or correct repeated site behavior could already have passed. Modern trials draw data from electronic data, capture systems, patient-reported outcomes, central laboratories, imaging, biomarkers, wearable devices, and electronic medical records. During a dose adjustment visit, laboratory results, the dose change, and an adverse event reported 2 days later need to be considered together. Automation can identify routine inconsistencies, outliers, and alerts at scale. Human judgment is still needed to interpret clinical context, decide whether a query is appropriate, and determine whether a finding needs escalation. Dashboards are most useful when they support drill down, comparison, and traceability. A risk-based approach focuses attention on data that are most important for safety, protocol conduct, and reliable results. In an oncology study, this may include dose changes, serious adverse events, abnormal laboratory values, and concomitant medications. Elsewhere, endpoint timing or visit window compliance may need closer review. The review model should be planned early. Teams need to define who reviews each area, how often review occurs, what triggers escalation, and how findings move through the workflow. Clinical data management is central, but medical monitors, clinical research associates, biostatisticians, and programmers may also contribute. Review can break down when functions rely on different extracts, delayed files, dashboards, or separate spreadsheets. Standards such as CDISC and CDASH can support consistent collection, mapping, and exchange. Audit trails and query turnaround times may reveal delayed entry, repeated corrections, training gaps, and unresolved critical issues. The review process helps teams judge whether data are reliable enough to support safe oversight and credible decisions while the trial is still running. To learn how Quanticate can support your next trial, email inquiries at quanticate.com or request a consultation through our website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical insights on clinical trials and modern drug development.